Hi guys, welcome to my channel My Little Paradise. This is the first official video of my channel. This channel is all about my knowledge and experience about gardening. The passion of gardening came into me from a very young age, from my dad. He is also a passionate gardener. As I am an agriculture student now, I can easily visualize and cut down the gap between commercial production technology and the basic knowledge of gardening gained over years. So through this channel, I am going to share my experience and knowledge of production technology and agricultural science I gained from my higher studies and merge it with my old school knowledge of gardening. Hope my video will be helpful for you all to apply the scientific knowledge of horticulture science in your own garden, and hope you will also get a professional result from this knowledge. Here are few more images of my garden. Hope you will enjoy it.